Well, hello there, my friends. Chris Marcus here with you for Arcadia Economics. And today, a quick video as we had some news out after the close yesterday. First Majestic Silver did release their earnings covering the fourth quarter, the full year of 2022, and an update to their dividend payments. So, wanted to walk through some of the highlights here just so you can be aware of how the results came out. As I mentioned a few weeks ago, when they released their production numbers, they did have 31.3 million silver equivalent ounces. That was 10.5 million ounces of silver, 248,394 gold ounces, 16% increase over 2021. Annual revenues, 642.2 million. Operating cash flows before working capital and taxes of 109.4 million. Consolidated cash costs came in at 1439 per silver equivalent ounce. All-in sustaining was 1974. Although if you exclude Jarrett Canyon, those came in at 1113 and 1442. Again, at Jarrett Canyon, they've been getting things ramped up, although they did have to shut down due to weather in the fourth quarter. So that partially explains the difference in those numbers there. Adjusted net earnings of negative $55.4 million on the year, or 21 cents per share after excluding non-cash items. Did realize an average silver price of $22.49, and they paid $6.9 million in dividends to their shareholders last year. They also end the year with cash of $151.4 million and working capital of $202.9 million. In the fourth quarter, they had 7.6 million silver equivalent ounces. That was 2.4 million ounces of silver, 63,000 ounces of gold. Revenue of 148.2 million, operating cash flows of 13.4 million, and cash costs of 1536 per ounce, all-in sustaining 2069. Again, you exclude Jarrett Canyon, that comes down to 1193 and 1563. And the fourth quarter net earnings were negative 17.4 million, adjusted EPS of negative 7 cents. A few words here from Keith Neumeyer, who is obviously the president and CEO of First Majestic. First Majestic achieved record revenues of 624 million in 2022, largely due to an 81% increase in production at Santa Elena. In the first year of full production from the Ermitaño mine, Santa Elena achieved a new production record of 9.1 million silver equivalent ounces with an all-in sustaining cost of $13.97 per ounce. At Jarrett Canyon, all-in sustaining costs decreased in the fourth quarter by 14%, but remained elevated due to lower than expected production caused by the severe weather conditions in northern Nevada, which reduced the utilization of the processing plant and limited the ore transportation. Although over the past few months, many of the supply chain issues have been successfully remedied, and they did complete some plant improvements to better withstand harsh winters going forward. I'm going to have the link to this press release so you can take a look at the breakdown as you see here with all of the numbers. And in terms of the dividend, First Majestic is going to be paying out a dividend of 0.0054 cents per common share, which goes out on March 24th to shareholders as of the close of March 10th. So that is the news in the First Majestic earnings. I'll put the link to the full press release in the description field below so you can take a look through that, see a couple more of the details, but just did want to pass that along. And thanks for checking in, and we'll see you again later today.